video. So today I'm going to be taking down my braids. I always got to do a video for y'all because I'm always trying other hairstyles, because why not? Like, we're just going to be that girl, you know, the girl who always got her hair done. So anyways, so I'm taking down these braids. I got this wig. I'm going to put like the link where I got it from in the description box. So y'all, look at this. We got us another U-part where it looks like this. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's how it's looking. So U-part is not as big as my other one, so I'm happy about that. And it's 18 inches, so it's full. It looks really, really good. Like, y'all, the quality, like when I say this hair is super soft, it's super soft. Like, okay, y'all, so I'm not washing my hair. The only part I'm gonna wash is my leave out. Everything else is just gonna get braided back and probably like put in this cap. So I'm gonna put this cap on to figure out how much leave out I need to have for this U part. So let's go. Is my head really that big? My head is not that big. Yo, honestly, do I even need to freaking braid my hair down if I got this wig cap on? I do not even need to lay my hair down, y'all. We not doing that. I'm like, bro, that crap is gonna take forever. We just gonna bunch my hair up in there. So we finna go ahead and take that. Yeah, I like cute bald head. We just finna cut these little things off. So pretty much this is where I'll be cutting off, and like right here all the way until something like this. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to just go ahead and start flat ironing my hair. I'm about to put some, already washed this off, so now I just have to put this wax stick on there or whatever. This wax stick, I'll put it on each piece that I'm about to flat iron. But I'm about to go ahead, actually, yeah, let me go ahead and try to flat iron first, because that might take a minute. So we're gonna go ahead and just kind of flat iron some pieces in the wig, especially before I put it on, just because there's like pieces that aren't really like, you know, straight technically. Let's go ahead and do our middle part, our little bust down. Bust down middle part. That's the thing, I'm just like, this cap needs to be pulled. See what it looks like up front. So it's not eating like I thought it was gonna eat, but let me go ahead and I'm gonna go off camera, fix it a little bit because it's not eating and it's not really giving. Okay, YouTube, I am back. So I had to I had to go and like fix everything, honestly, because it was crazy, y'all. It was really, really crazy. The hair was kind of thin, especially because the U part was a little too big on my head, so it just made everything look thin. So I had clip-ins that matched my hair type that I had to add in. So yeah, if you do get this hair in and you know you have a small head, I would suggest adding like extra tracks in just to give a more like fuller look. But this is the back. Hopefully y'all can see everything. That is it. I wish I could have showed y'all like me flattering my, oh wait, I did, sorry. I mean, I wish I would have showed y'all like me adding the tracks in, but if you do want to see, I have a 2-clip, don't mind this green stuff on there, but I have 2 clips in my head, which is something like this. So I have one on this side and then one on this side. I think if I want a more fuller look, I'll add 2 more of these kind of clips. So I'll probably add in some more of these in if I want to make it more fuller. But it's eating the girls. I mean, who you know. But yeah, I mean, this was cute. I'm loving the vibes. Yeah, I'm definitely loving the vibes. The hair is so freaking soft. Like, it's so soft. And I would definitely do this hairstyle again. Definitely with this hair. I would try it with longer hair next time and see if they have a 200 density. If they have a 200 density, I think I'm gonna get that one and test that out. But other than that, y'all, I mean, like, it's giving the girls, okay, period. So I'm gonna head and end this video. So see y'all in the next one, and like, share, comment, subscribe for more videos. Bye.